Welcome to Trading Mastery Institute. Whatever that is being shared is of our opinion and not an advice for you to enter the market. Okay, guys, so we have some question on how to capture the move of 100 to 300 pips. Okay, so there's a big move. So we have to see at a higher time frame, daily, and H4 to find the direction, okay, the move. So here I'm using the ultra wide 42-inch monitor, so it is easier for me to spot the multiple time frame view. So I advise for those in future, if you want to upgrade your monitor and you have the space, you can get the same setup, so you will see later on. So what I want to see for the huge move is at daily itself. Okay, so for the basic student, you can just actually wait to see there's an arrow and the candlestick is above all the lines. Okay, the Tenkan-sen line, the Kijun-sen, or the red or blue line. Okay, and then it is above the cloud, and the Novak flow and trend is also in blue. So meaning we are actually trading or predicting at daily. Okay, so now over here you can see, so this is the arrow, it appear. So now you see, because due to the ultra wide monitor, by one look I can straight away see what is happening at H4 from daily, what is happening at H1 itself. Okay, so what we want to see is there's an arrow. So the next day over here, we are looking to long the market. Okay, we are looking to long. We do not know that it's going up or down. Okay, so we need a confirmation. So what is the confirmation? We look at H4. See over here, H4 and H1 to have a confirmation. So I zoom in now at H4. Okay. Okay, if you want to watch this video, you can try to zoom in and out, because I know some of you guys are watching from your 14-inch or 12-inch laptop or your mobile phone, so that you can see properly. Okay, so from here, what you can see is that there is a candlestick above this line. Okay, the blue and the red line, the cloud and everything is all in blue over here. Okay, and then there is also a dot. Okay, over here there is a bonus Novak entry. Then meaning it follows the daily direction. So at H1, what we are looking for is, we zoom in at H1, zoom in. Okay, H1, it shows that you have just done the retracement at a higher time frame, and now where is for us to enter? Okay, so you can enter upon the first arrow, okay, or you can wait for a second arrow to say that when this arrow appear, there will be a test of that particular support over here. Okay, so there's two options. For those who do not have the time, you can just, when you see the arrow, can just enter, okay, or you wait. So over here, let's say you just, after you see the arrow, and then your stop loss is about 100 pips and it went up to 1000 pip and beyond. Okay, 1005 pips. So this is how we capture the move. Okay, from here, the entry. So you risk, let's say, a dollar, your lot size. So it's $100 for you to capture $1,000. So that is a good risk reward. Okay. So next, what after we capture this move, so next what we want to see, at daily, because we want to see the movement of the daily time frame to capture the pips from there. So we just wait and see the arrow over here. Arrow appear the very next day. Okay, we want to trade over here. We want to trade. So we have to check at H4. Candlestick is above all these lines. Okay, candlestick is above all this line. Okay. Then at H1 is our entry time frame, because if we enter based on H4, our stop loss will be larger. So now we go to here. So what do we see? We see an arrow, okay? So this arrow pair with this arrow. So meaning when it went up, it went down and retest this support, okay? This all this red line and this blue line support. So you enter over here, stop loss 100 pip, okay? 100 pip somewhere here, 100 pip for daily. And then it went up until 1,100 pip, okay? And today, okay, the market is about to open. Okay, it's just open. So what do we see over here? We do not see an arrow. So we use an advanced setup. Okay, meaning we are looking for a uh, minor support and resistance, which is not strong, but we can try to mitigate the risk. Maybe your lot size is supposed to be at a dollar per pip. Maybe you lower it down to half by 0.05, 50 cent. Okay. So over here, then we draw a line over here. And then we draw another line. So this is today. So we confirm that this is the potential support. We say that this is potential support. So what we see over here, okay, candlestick all above the line. So now we want to look for an entry over here, okay, and we do not have the arrow yet, the buy arrow. And for this instant, you can, when the arrow appear, you can just enter buy, or when it have the second arrow, you can enter. Is much more safer. Okay, especially the arrow at this particular arrow at H1. If the price retrace over here, and if there's another arrow, then we want to enter to capture that 500 to 1000 pips movement. Okay, so a bit of fundamental on gold. Say gold have reached all-time high over here. Okay, so nobody knows where it's going, but it seems like on November and December, there's something huge going to happen in the financial market. So that is where a lot of central bank and hedge fund snapping out gold. And also, if you watch our video in our Telegram group or the Facebook page, it shows the gold act and the Genius Act all have to do with why gold are rising up due to the US policy. Okay, so fundamental saying that to look for long is better, but of course gold retracement, if you enter at the wrong time, see the retracement about 700 to 800 pips, so you have to wait and enter at an area of support. Okay, so next video I'm going to announce a very good news. Okay, we have a scalping technique at M1 for our members for free. Okay, see you guys soon and all the best for your trading week. Bye bye.